Hello, welcome to Phantom Bricks. Today we're going to be looking at the return of the recycling truck to the city theme. So let's get to it. Phantom Bricks is produced by Phantom Toys and Games. We are an online toy retailer and authorized dealer of LEGO products, which means all of our inventory we buy directly from LEGO, and every set you buy from us is guaranteed to be genuine and authentic. Now today we are going to be looking at the brand new for 2023 LEGO City Recycling Truck, set number 60386. It has 261 pieces, retails for $30, and is the first recycling truck that we've had in the city theme in over a decade. So let's get into the build.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about this set. This is a solid entry into the city theme. This is what I would call a meat and potatoes set. It is not as whimsical as something like the Penguin Slushy Van. There's not a lot of bells and whistles on this set, but it is a solid design. There's a nice use of the 4 sloped bricks on each side of the truck to simulate kind of a barrel container. It has a great tipping mechanism on the back of the truck where you can put one of the recycling bins onto the platform and then use the handle to turn it up, dumping out whatever's in it without the bin falling down. On the back side of the truck, there's a nice use of levers to simulate the controls of the recycling truck. And it also comes with a nice little recycling center that has 3 separate containers. Each of those containers has a recycling bin that goes inside of it. So very simple element, but something that will fit well into a wide variety of cityscapes. Comes with 3 minifigures. 2 are recycling workers, and the third is a city townsperson. So all in all, it's not a super fancy set, but it is solid and will appeal to a wide range of builders. As I said at the beginning, we haven't gotten a recycling truck of this size in over a decade. Had a smaller one about 5 years ago in 7991, but this is one of the largest we've gotten to date.
All right, we hope you enjoyed that build and short review. This is the LEGO City Recycling Truck, set number 60386. Brand new for 2023, it is out and available now. You can find it at our website, www.phantom-toys.com. You can also find it at lego.com, Amazon, and wherever else Lego products are sold. It's a great set for kids who love vehicles and trucks. It's also a great set for adults who have city builds. So just all around great set, highly recommended. Retails for $30, so go buy it today. And until next time, happy building.